Hi, my name is Stephen Franzese, and I will be explaining a medical transcriptionist. So, kind of their job description, medical transcriptionists will listen to a voice recording from a physician or any healthcare provider, and then they will convert the recording into a formal medical document. This is then put into an electronic health record system to help with patient medical history. They also will look for errors. This is to help with the quality of care and patient safety. Typically, they do work in a hospital, but they also can work in a physician's office or a private medical transcriptionist company. In 2024, their annual salary was about $37,000 to $40,000 a year. Education-wise, they typically go through a 2-year associate's degree program in medical transcription. There, they will learn a strong knowledge of anatomy and physiology, medical terminology, and they also learn the proper rules of grammar. For the job outlook, in a 2024 study, it showed there were currently 43,900 jobs in medical transcribing. There was also a study done that showed in 2034 there will be a 5% decrease in jobs for medical transcriptionists. The professional organizations that back up medical transcriptionists is the Association for Healthcare Documentation Integrity and the American Health Information Management Association.
Hello, I'm Emily Labrie and I'll be going over the health data analysis. The general duties of this profession are data management, accusation, interpretation, and analysis. They gather this information from billing claims, patient surveys, and electronic health records. The types of settings you'll see this profession in are health systems, hospitals, health insurance companies, health information technology vendors, large physician practice groups, state and federal departments, as well as agencies. The highest education you need to be able to be a health data analysis is your bachelor's degree. You can get this in business, healthcare administration, psychology, public health, and biology, though some are known to also get their master's degree. The salary range for this position are $50,000 to $90,000. However, the median as of December 2025 is $67,000. For the job outlook in this profession, it has been on the rise from 2018 to 2028 by 11%. In this graph, you can see that it has been on the rise for quite a while since 2012. Examples of professional organizations that serve this profession are Healthcare Data Analytics Association, Healthcare Information Management, System Society, American Health Information Management Association. All of these serve to connect the community and help these data analysis get the right tools they need to further improve healthcare systems. That was my presentation. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for listening.
Hi guys, my name is Emma Shortsleeve, and today I'm going to be talking about informatics nurses. So they have lots of general duties. They integrate nursing science with information and computer science, train healthcare staff on health information technologies, design, implement, and optimize electronic health records, also known as EHRs, and lots of other things as well. The minimum education is a BSN, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and the license that's required is the active registered nurse, so your RN, and they prefer you have your master's in nursing informatics, or a related field. Certification is offered through the American Nurse Credentialing Center. As far as salary range goes, the average annual salary for informatics nurses is 80,000 to 120,000. And the higher salaries are common for nurses in leadership roles or with advanced education and certification. Earnings can also based on geographic location, years of experience, type of employer, all those kinds of things. In terms of job outlook for informatic nurses is strong and growing. The growth is driven by increased use of electronic health records, EHRs that I was referring to earlier. Expansion of telehealth services is increasing um, insanely with all the technology that we're using. And healthcare systems rely on more data-driven technology to improve quality, safety, and efficiency. Professional organizations that support informatics nurses through education, advocacy, research, and networking opportunities. Some examples are the American Nursing Informatics Association, also known as the ANIA, the Healthcare Information and Management System Society, also known as the HIMSS, or the American Medical Informatics Association, also known as AMIA.